This video is about advantages and disadvantages of mobile phones and suggestions. Introduction: Mobile phones have become an essential part of modern life, revolutionizing communication, business, and entertainment. While they offer numerous benefits, their excessive use also brings challenges that impact health, productivity, and social interactions. This article explores the advantages, disadvantages, and responsible usage of mobile phones. Advantages of mobile phones: Mobile phones allow people to communicate through calls, messages, and video chats, making it easier to stay connected worldwide. With internet access, users can obtain knowledge, news, and educational resources anytime and anywhere. Mobile phones offer entertainment through music, videos, social media, and games, keeping users engaged during leisure time. Smartphones facilitate remote work, online transactions, and professional networking, increasing efficiency and flexibility. In case of emergencies, mobile phones provide quick access to emergency services, GPS tracking, and medical help. Social media apps help individuals maintain relationships, share updates, and engage in global discussions. Mobile phones serve as cameras, calculators, fitness trackers, calendars, and much more, making life more convenient. Disadvantages of mobile phones: Excessive mobile phone use may lead to eye strain, poor posture, sleep disturbances, and mental health problems like anxiety and depression. Overuse of social media and gaming can cause addiction, reducing productivity and focus, especially among students and professionals. Cyber threats such as hacking, phishing, and identity theft can compromise personal data and security. Excessive phone usage can reduce face-to-face interactions, leading to weaker personal relationships. Regular upgrades, data plans, and app subscriptions can be costly, putting financial strain on users. The production and disposal of mobile phones contribute to e-waste and environmental pollution. Using mobile phones while driving or walking can lead to serious accidents and injuries. Suggestions for responsible mobile phone use: Allocate specific time for mobile use to balance work, studies, and personal life. Enable night mode or use blue light filters to reduce eye strain and improve sleep quality. Use strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and avoid sharing personal details online. Never use a mobile phone while driving to prevent accidents and ensure road safety. Spend quality time with family, engage in outdoor activities, and limit screen time to improve social interactions. Dispose of or recycle old mobile phones responsibly to reduce environmental harm. Parents should regulate screen time and encourage educational content over entertainment apps. Conclusion: Mobile phones are powerful tools that enhance communication, education, and entertainment. However, their misuse can lead to serious drawbacks, including health risks and social disconnection. By adopting responsible usage habits, individuals can enjoy the benefits of mobile phones while mitigating their negative effects, ensuring a balanced and productive digital lifestyle.